OFD, Anderson is down. He's hit by a car.
That is a just-released police radio transmission of an officer calling for help just after Orlando police officer William Anderson was struck by a car Monday. And today, we've learned Officer Anderson's condition has taken a turn for the worse. He's been downgraded to serious condition and transferred to Shands Hospital in Gainesville. That news comes as the 17-year-old teen accused of hitting Officer Anderson appeared in juvenile court. WESH 2's Bob Keeling reports his mother asked why he could not come home.
Do you have any words for the officer and his family? He's taken a turn for the worse, ma'am. The mother of 17-year-old Edward Kelty said nothing about her son's case after his first appearance before a juvenile court judge.
Edward Kelty.
Earlier, Kelty appeared in court, his arm in a sling, where Chief John Mina confirms Officer William Anderson shot him in self-defense as the teen ran into him, speeding away from a traffic stop. In court, we learned Kelty has no arrest history. But the judge turned down his defense attorney's motion that he be released on an electronic monitor while awaiting trial. With that, Kelty's mother said she didn't understand.
Karen, have any questions?
Yes, why you can't come home?
Because of the seriousness of the charges, the judge explained. Attempted second-degree murder of a police officer and resisting arrest with violence. Charges that carry with them at least 25 years in prison. After the hearing, Kelty's mother did her best to avoid reporters and their questions and would not comment about the excessive force complaint that she filed with OPD against their injured officer. A second 17-year-old suspect, believed to have been a passenger early that morning, appeared in court on a lesser charge of evidence tampering after detectives found the suspect car on fire hours later. Now, bottom line, the decision has not been made yet as to whether or not Kelty will be prosecuted as an adult and perhaps opened up to a far more serious penalty if he's convicted. Coming up all new at 5 o'clock, we'll tell you why that decision has yet to be made. Live in juvenile court in Orange County, Bob Keeling, WESH 2 News.